Hello, welcome back. Right, I'm doing a run of videos on the 99p tools from China, on eBay from China, and them sort of places. It's the sort of stuff we used to buy off the pound tables at the markets and that. And you take them home and chuck them in the toolbox and you forget about them for 20 years. And then all of a sudden you, oh yeah, that's handy, and you use it, you know. So the first tool we're going to look at is the valve repair tool. Really handy tool to have. This one has saved the day. I've used it last week. I had a bit of a problem. And it's brilliant. Like I say, 99p including postage, but also in that 99p I've got 5 valves, so pretty good. Luckily I've got a valve ripped out of a tube, so I can show you some of the bits this tool does. That's Marlowe ripped it out of at the Westwood wheel. Got hold of it and just ripped it straight out. Right, so the first thing you've got is a valve. This end here is to remove the valve. I'll put that in there. It just turns. It's easy to turn the valve on this one. You just undo it like so, and that undoes the valve. We can use just to let the air out, or we can remove the valve completely. Then the next thing is the thread here. Hopefully it'll stay focused, and you can re-thread where the valve goes. Well, it's also very handy, and it just cleans it up. If you took the valve out to put some slime or something in there, it's very handy for that. This end, if it has another valve cap on there or the thread's knackered, this will clean the thread or re-tap it, so you can put your valve cap back on. Pretty simple stuff, but again, very handy tool. Put your valve in there and tighten it back up. Try not to move the camera too much. Quite simple, but again, a very handy tool. Like I say, it's 99p including postage, plus it comes with 5 valves, so it's worth it for the valves anyway. It doesn't matter what supply you use on eBay, they're all pretty much the same. But obviously you can buy the tool for 99p, or you can buy it with the valves for 99p, so it's just common sense what one you're going to buy. Yeah, check it out, it's a good tool. Put it in your toolbox, forget about it for 20 years, you never know, you might need it one day. If you like this sort of stuff, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, ring the bell so you get notified, yeah, all the usual sort of stuff, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now.